Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have another icon. Absolutely fantastic 1967 Corvette 427 435. We got a tank sticker with this and also a video showing the tank sticker being removed. Finished in Ermine white. It's the original color. And a black stinger. Black interior. Power brakes. Off-road exhaust. Telly wheel. So a killer walnut 3-spoke wheel. That's fantastic. AM radio actually works. Bolt-on wheels. I think those are original too. You can tell by the striations in the fins. Check out the website. I have a great picture of those. Build sheet shows a 5. Just a partial build sheet, but that's all you need. Just gorgeous. The car's very correct too. Tons of OEM parts. Here you can see the wheels. See the grooves in there? That's what leads me to believe these are original. And you can't replace that. Gorgeous. Showing 26,605 miles. Beautiful frosting around the gauges. Correct 6,500 red line. Power windows. You can hear that clock ticking too. Awesome. Working AM radio. Power windows, which I love. Original trim tag, original VIN tag. That is awesome. Really nice investment piece here. Runs and drives fantastic. Everything's correct under here too. Right down to the alternator. I have all the numbers too on the website. You can see all of this. I took about 300 photos today. Power brakes. Correct intake manifold, correct carburetors. I have photos of all those. We do have the shielding as well. Car's all tuned up too. New plugs, wires, rotor, cap, coil. Pretty. 351 block. There. Fantastic approach marks on this car. Just awesome. What an amazing car. Block that's the best. How beautiful that is. All the correct approach marks. It's absolutely original. Correct flat black under the hood. We also have a hard top too. That's white. Soft top is also white. This is some investment piece. Cool. Let me fire it up for you. Also have a bunch of parts that come with it, including exhaust tips and bezels, inside door handles, all kinds of stuff. Walnut wheel. turn the idle up a little bit. You just gotta turn this idle up. Take you for a quick ride. So nice. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. My name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Give me a shout, 631-339-0399. You can also check out lots of details on the website too. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot.